I got my wisdom teeth pulled and took some pain pills and just kind of really liked them, and just felt different, felt like I was different, like, so it just changed everything for me. And then the pain pills went away and switched to heroin. I wanted to help addicts, due to my past history with being an addict. I've got 5 years clean. October 8th, I celebrated 5 years. And so I've always had this passion, this desire to help addicts, and mental health, anybody that's having issues, to try to help. But then when I heard about the peer support program, and the definition is using your lived experience to help others, not really caught my attention, because with the counseling you kind of have to leave your personal stuff to the side and focus on more of the curriculum or that person specifically, which is great. But I felt like I've got a story, I've got so much that, I've been through this, I've been here, like, I want to be able to tell people, what I did to get where I came from, or how I got here. With the peer support, I get to use my experience, my story, what I've been through, to help them, to tell them, this is what I did, this is what worked for me. There's a million other things you can do, but let's help you figure out what's best for you. It really has opened a lot of doors for them, because I care about them and I want to see them succeed. So whatever I can do for them, I do. Whether it's, are you going to treatment? Do you need like support in this area? I've reached out to people to have them write letters to some of the people at the jail so that they can have some support. I just try to do whatever I can to help support them while they're in there, so that they know that they can build that support system when they get out. I do a coping skills class with the Seeking Safety curriculum, and there will be times where we'll be going over something and I'm like, oh man, I gotta practice this. And so I'll practice it that week, and I'll come back in and I tell them, hey, I did this, guys. Like, remember last week we talked about this, and I said I was struggling with it, and so I went ahead and put it into practice, and this is how it played out. So, it helps me. It helps me immensely. It helps me stay clean. It helps me focus on what I need to focus on. I learned from them just as much as they learned from me. So it's really a great experience to be able to learn from them too. But we have a different view of what they're going through. We've been there, done that. We get it, and we're not there to judge them. We're not there to, be mean or anything like that. And I think anybody that I've known that's worked in peer support thoroughly enjoys their job, because they feel as if they're giving back, but they're also getting just from giving back. So to be able to help people and see them succeed, and to see them doing well, it makes your heart so happy that it's so worthwhile. It's so worthwhile to be able to do it and know that, like, oh, I was probably a part of that. It just gives you a little bit of happiness inside.